we're back at least a few moments inside. And they fixed it. They're both working. For the LL. It rained. There's security. Look at the window. Yep, they fixed the other one. It wasn't working last time. Floors are very squeaky. And they fixed all the lights too. And this is a Schindler MT/300A. Oh crap, the security. I think that's them. And oh, never mind. And there's the other one, which we will be riding shortly. For 3. Wow. That was not a usual way that this thing would start up. There's your indicator. Here we go. Yep, it's a hydraulic. And it's not going to do that glitch. Here we go. Holy. Okay, that's weird. Okay, that chime was very. Okay, the rain must have impacted that. We're gonna have to get a look at that. And to all you guys that are looking for me to upload another Brawl Stars video, I probably will soon. Anyways, it also does something interesting on one that I want to point out. Okay, that was weird. That I have to get a look at that. Here we go on 1. Okay, that's just weird. The rain definitely impacted this. Now we can shaft through. That's the inner lock. There's the Schindler. The logo's missing. Go to 1 and 3. The door's kind of slammed. 1, 3. Don't line up. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what it does. It kind of like re-11s. There's your indicator up there. Now we'll go 3 and we'll watch the numbers. Here we go. Then we're gonna get off on 4, and I want to get a better look at that chime. Because that was unusual. It never does that. Unless it's a rainy day. Listen to it closely. Listen. That is an unusual MT chime. Let's go. That is unusual. Listen closely. Listen. That is a very high-pitched, unusual Schindler MT chime. It did this last time it was raining, but they fixed it. So we're going to send this down to LL, and we're going to get the other elevator. This one is running very well. They fixed this one. Now we're going to ride the other one. Let's see if it does anything unusual. Last time this one was broken, they fixed it. This one runs very well, but the only thing they have to fix is that. But they'll fix it. Here's this one. Oh, this one's perfect. Okay, here we go. Fix that door. Come on. Okay, 1. Pretty smooth so far. They fixed it. It's doing pretty well. Haven't ridden this one in like a month and a half or something because it was broken for that long. First time riding it in that long. There's security again. Same type, Schindler MT300A. And I believe this one used to squeak, but I think they fixed it. There's your control panel. There's fire, call, cancel. Ooh. That's a smooth door track. Go to 4. The floor numbering is off, and so is the indicator. Okay, we'll look out the window. Still takes long to start up. We're gonna end it. We're gonna go up to 3 and end it. Yep, so they're both working. Here we go. See if it squeaks. And I'm pretty sure they fixed it. Now we'll watch it level. Nice lubrication on those guide rails. Go to 1. Okay, look at cab view. All 6 lights work. Interesting. Alright, we're gonna go down. Yep, very smooth. This one has a quiet motor going down. That chime on the other one on 4 is just very interesting. And this one has a Schindler logo. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. And that's the security hotline in case of emergencies, which you can always reach out to. And this one has a handrail. Just look at that door track. And this one is an ECI interlock. And there's the left one, leader over 4. Now I'll go up to 4 and end it there. Now I'll watch the numbers. Here we go. This place is just interesting. Here we go. Going express. Yep, this is another MT300A. Oh, it squeaked a little that time. That was surprising. Alright, that time it wasn't smooth. Now look at this door track. Okay, we're gonna get off here on 4. Maybe next time I'll go on these by myself. I did it a couple times though, but I don't want to risk any changes. And there it goes. And that's it.